Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this rice paper sales cake. Pretty in pink and covered in roses. Start by mixing together 150 millilitres of water and a dash of pink food colour. Pour that into a glass container and dip in some rice paper. Place some foil paper onto a baking tin and create some folds along the middle. Then place the rice paper on top. Add pearl sprinkles and chill for 1 hour. Make a few of these. Remove from the foil and there's your rice paper sale. Next, place a vanilla cake on a turntable and pipe on pink buttercream. Layer it up and cover the entire thing in pink buttercream. Smooth it out and then place your rice paper decorations along the sides and on top. There. Add some roses for a finishing touch. We're going with pink to stay with the theme. And a few extra petals. And there you have it, rice paper sale cake. All that's left to do now is slice and enjoy. This cake has it all, M&M's, Kit Kat and melted chocolate. So all you need is a chocolate cake to slice the top off and slice it in half horizontally. Now we're going to add some chocolate ganache. You can pre-make this yourself, or you can buy it pre-made from the store. Smooth that over nicely, add our next layer, cover that in chocolate ganache too. You can be as generous as you like with this. We're going to put it all the way around the edge of our cake. Now time to stick on our Kit Kat pieces all the way around the outside of our cake, creating a bit of depth there, because we need to make our waterfall. So with a little bit of ganache, we're going to use it to stick M&Ms onto a cocktail stick or any wooden stick. We're going to do it all the way along the whole stick and put that in the top of our cake. And now time for some more M&Ms and some more M&Ms and more M&Ms. And how about a few more M&Ms? Right, there you have it, an M&M waterfall. I really do hope you like M&Ms. Delicious. Look at this ultimate caramel cake. Absolutely brilliant. A work of art. Start with a basic vanilla cake and layer it up with caramel buttercream. Now coat it in caramel buttercream. Smoothing it out to create a lovely flat work surface. Now get some caramel popcorn and melted yellow chocolate with a satay stick. Dip the popcorn into the melted chocolate to glue onto the stick. Keep going until you've reached the top. Put that aside to set, and now get some caramel and drizzle it along one edge of your cake. Stick on some waffle pieces. Lovely. Now some caramel popcorn. And caramel toffee. This looks absolutely delicious. Pop in your caramel popcorn decoration. Placing a few more pieces on top of the cake to make it look like it's flowing on top. Some more wafers. More caramel toffee. And then finally, a popcorn bag. And there you have an amazing work of art. Looks like the popcorn is being poured right on top of the cake. Simply slice. Look at that. And enjoy. your basic vanilla cake into a warm hug of a cute panda. With Nyam Nyam, make a bamboo panda cake simply by decorating it with icing. So starting with your basic vanilla cake, we just slice the top off there and cut it in half, removing the crumbs, adding some buttercream in between the layers and smoothing it over. No food colouring necessary for this one, just white buttercream will be fine. Layering the cake as much as you like. We're doing 3 layers. So we're covering the entire outside of the cake with the buttercream icing. Smoothing it over, ready to place our chocolate wafers all around the edge, with a few cut down to various sizes. Now, get your fondant icing ready on a chopping board and mould it into a panda shape. Be creative with your pandas. Some can be sitting, some lying on their tummy, some standing, or even lying on their back. Some fondant rocks and some fondant leaves. And there you have it. Super simple, super cool. Bamboo panda cake. Delicious. Let's make this super classy Dior bag cake. It's easier than it looks. Start with a basic vanilla cake and pipe on white buttercream. Add another layer of vanilla cake. Turn it on its side and refrigerate for 15 minutes. Then place the cake on a turntable and coat the entire thing in white buttercream. Now smooth it out using a spatula and refrigerate for a further 15 minutes. Meanwhile, roll out some light pink fondant. We're going to wrap this around the cake, pressing it down on the sides, cutting off any excess, and folding at the ends. Now stick on your fondant decoration. It's the Dior logo. Then pop a ribbon on the top as a handle held down by cocktail sticks, a fondant tag, and some carnation flowers. These really add something special to the cake, so let's cover the top with them. Just look at that. Amazing. And it's ready. A brilliant Dior bag cake. Actually very easy to make. Time to dig in. Delicious.